Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a high-res image. Higher DPI keeps edges crisp. Once chosen, trim your sticker paper to the machine width and smooth out any creases so feeding is flawless. Next, power on the sticker maker and select the correct material profile, sticker paper, then set speed to 3 for balanced detail. You load the paper straight, align the guide, and send the first cut job. This gets you into the workflow quickly and prevents jams or wasted sheets. You weed the design by peeling away negative material. Work slowly at a 45 degrees angle so fine details stay attached. Once weeded, place a clear laminating sheet over the stickers to add durability and waterproofing. Start at one edge and use a squeegee to press out air, moving in overlapping passes so no bubbles remain. If you need a kiss-cut border, return the laminated sheet to the cutter and run a shallow pass. This preserves sticker backing while you finish with a contour cut around each sticker. Check registration marks for precise alignment so cuts match prints. After cutting, perform a peel test on one sticker. If the face or laminate tiers, reduce blade depth by 0.5 increments and retest. If stickers fail to feed or shift, stop the job, realign the paper guides, reduce speed to 2, and run the file again. One key troubleshooting tip. When cuts are inconsistent, clean the rollers and retrim the leading edge for smooth feeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.